Here's how to delete your Manychat account. So to do this, open up your Manychat account and sign in. Then from there, what you want to go and do is click settings in the left menu right here. Then from here, go to general, which is the first option under the main ones. And then here at the bottom, you can see delete account, and you want to go and click delete. And then you need to select the channels associated with your account, and you need to remove those first. So you can do that by clicking remove right here, and then also going to your other channels that are connected, removing those as well. Then after doing that, head back into general and click delete account, and then your channels will be removed and you can then actually delete your account. Now, if you would like to, you can also clone this account to a different Manychat account if you just want to use Manychat in a different account and delete this one. So then you can click clone this account and then delete it. So now you know how to delete your Manychat account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.